If you've been wondering how to download Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple way to save your Lucidchart diagrams to your computer, since Lucidchart is a cloud-based tool and doesn't work like a normal desktop app with a traditional installer. Instead, you can export your diagrams in useful formats like PDF, PNG, JPEG, SVG, CSV, or Visio, depending on what you need. This is super helpful if you want to share your work, print it, back it up, or use it outside of Lucidchart. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart in your web browser and go to the document you want to download. Make sure the correct diagram is open on your screen because everything starts from the file itself. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner of the canvas and find the More menu. This is usually represented by a menu icon, and it contains extra options for your document. Click that menu, then hover over Export in the drop-down list. When you do that, Lucidchart will show you the available download and export formats. At this point, choose the file type that fits your goal. If you need a document for viewing or printing, PDF is usually the best choice. If you want an image file, you can pick PNG or JPEG. If you need a scalable graphic for design work, SVG is a good option. And if you're moving your diagram into another workflow, you may also see options like CSV or Visio. After selecting your format, Lucidchart will open the export settings on the right side of the screen. This is where you can fine-tune the download before saving it. Depending on the file type, you may be able to crop extra white space, adjust image quality, or change other output settings. Take a moment here to review those options so your downloaded file comes out exactly the way you want it. This part is important, especially if you want a clean-looking export for presentations or reports. Once your settings are ready, click Download. Lucidchart will then generate the file and save it to your computer's default downloads folder. In most cases, you'll see the file appear there within a few moments, and from there you can open it, move it, share it, or upload it anywhere you need. So just to recap, the process is open your Lucidchart document, go to the More menu, choose Export, select your preferred format, adjust the settings, and click Download. That's all it takes to download your Lucidchart diagram locally. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.